it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kurota Ayun Sufi. My register number 4125007. I am a student of Ilmu Al-Quran and Tafsir, Fakulty Usuluddin Adab and Dakwah. Today, I would like to talk about a very inspiring topic: seeking knowledge as an act of worship. I hope what I share today can be beneficial for all of us. Let's get started. The Quranic verse I have chosen is from Surah Al-Mujadalah, verse 11, which says, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu idza qila lakum tafassahu fil majalisi fafsahu yafsahillahu lakum wa idza qila anshuzu fanshuzu yarfa'illahu alladzina amanu minkum walladzina utul ilma darajat wallahu bima ta'maluna khabir. The translation: All you who believe, if it is said to you, give speech in the assembly. Then next page, certainly Allah will make space for you. And when it is said, stand up and stand up, surely Allah will elevate the degree of those who believe among you and those who have been give knowledge to a few degrees. And Allah is careful about what you do. The verse I have chosen is from Surah Al-Mujadalah, verse 11. It highlights its beautiful promise from Allah that He will raise the status of those who believe and specifically those who are given knowledge. Will the beginning of the verse speaks about manners in a gathering. The core message we are focusing on today is Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala promise to elevate the people of knowledge in degrees. This verse is important because it teaches us that learning is not just about getting a diploma or passing an exam. In Islam, very single step we take to gain knowledge: going to class, reading books, listening to our lectures, is considered an act of worship as long as we do it secretly for the sake of Allah. Knowledge in Islam is also seen as a like. It guides us to make better decisions, to treat people with respect, and to contribute positively to society. Without knowledge, we would easily be misled and lost. In my opinion, seeking knowledge is one of the most beautiful forms of worship in Islam, because it benefits not only ourselves but also the people around us. I believe that a student who studies seriously and with a sincere heart is actually doing something very noble, not just getting credits, but fulfilling a divine responsibility. From my perspective, many young people today separate the concept of studying from the concept of worship. They think worship is only praying or fasting, but actually sitting in class with full attention and an open mind, that is also worship. That is also a way of getting closer to Allah. Personally, I think if more students understood this concept, they will study with more passion, more patience, and more gratitude. Based on my own experience, when I first entered university, I have to be honest, I was always motivated to study. Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I questioned why I had to learn so many things. But then I came across this verse from Surah Al-Mujadalah, and something shifted in my heart. I began to see my lecture, my achievements, even my struggles in understanding difficult materials as a form of worship. From that moment, studying felt different. It felt more meaningful. I learned that every time I opened my textbook with the intention of seeking knowledge for Allah's sake, I am not just a student, I am a worshiper. Reflecting and on my imperative, this understanding has made me more patient when facing difficult subjects and more grateful for every opportunity to learn. So, how do I apply this teaching in my daily life? First, I try to start every study session with Bismillah, and I sinker its intention, reminding myself that what I am doing is not just academic, but an act of worship. Second, I try to respect my lectors and teachers, because in Islam, those who teach us are among the people we should honor the most. Their knowledge is a gift that they share with us. Third, in my daily life, I try to keep learning not only from books and lectures, but also from life experience, from conversation, and from reflection on the world around me, because knowledge is everywhere. If we are willing to open our eyes and our heart, I also try to share whatever knowledge I have with others, because the Prophet Muhammad SAW said that the best of people are those who learn and then teach others. In conclusion, seeking knowledge is not separate from worship, it is worship. Surah Al-Mujadalah verse 11 reminds us that Allah honors those who seek knowledge, and that our journey and students is a deeply spiritual one. Let us study not just for grades, not just for degrees, but for Allah, our families, and for the benefit of humanity. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this presentation has been useful and inspiring for all of us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.